Will AI take over for wedding DJs? Check out this episode to find out. Welcome back to the No Boring Receptions podcast. I'm your host, Deval. This is a podcast where we elevate new DJs to become wedding DJ professionals. All right, before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel of the No Boring Receptions podcast. Give you tips and tricks on things you need to know as a new DJ get into the wedding industry. Now, this episode will be a little bit different because I want to talk to new DJs, but I also want to talk to couples about DJing their own wedding. That's a thing. We've seen it over the last couple of years where we've heard of folks saying, I think I can do this. All the DJs do is
press a button.
And we know as DJs that's not true. But with the advancement in technology, there are things that may come out from time to time that may give the couples the idea that, hey, I can do this on my own. So let's get right into the episode. Earlier this year, Spotify released an AI DJ, Xavier, or DJ X. And if you're not familiar with Spotify, it is a streaming service that allows you to pay a subscription, and they do have a free account as well. And you can stream all types of music, all genres, and sometimes they create playlists just for you based on what you've listened to in the past. And the AI DJ is similar to what they currently do. They'll curate a list just for you based on the music you listened to in the past, but they also sprinkle in some new music and new artists that you haven't heard of. And also, one of the biggest things, they're going to add a DJ voice, and that's DJ X or Xavier. And he's going to talk to you about the songs that are coming up next, the different genres that he'll be playing over time. And that's really what it does. The algorithm looks through your history of music to create a DJ play set. Now, it doesn't include mixing songs. It doesn't include skipping to the next song on that playlist. There is a button that allows you to kind of do a DJ shuffle and skip to the next song, but you have to press that button and DJ X, Xavier, will let you know what's being played next. With that being said, let's take a look at X.
Hey, what's going on? It's really great to be here with you. I'm Xavier. My friends call me X. And from this moment on, I'm going to be your own personal AI DJ on Spotify. Yeah, I'm an AI, but listen, I don't set timers. I don't switch on your lights. I'm all about music, your music. I know what you listen to.
So the question is, will this feature take over as your wedding DJ? So let's talk about it. Number one, equipment. If you're thinking about DJing your own wedding, using some type of streaming services, or using this Spotify AI DJ, you also want to think about the equipment that you may need. Renting equipment may not be cheap. It's another aspect of your wedding that you'll be responsible for. Will you have someone at your wedding play the music for you, a family member or friend? No, you want them to enjoy that day yourself. And you just don't want the hassle of thinking about playing from a playlist. Number two, entertainment. While the DJ AI will curate a playlist based on what you've listened to in the past, it doesn't mean that your choice of music will fit for your wedding reception, because you will have cousins, aunts, brothers, and I like to use the grandma rule, which means that if grandma is there, we want to make sure that grandma is on the dance floor a couple of times throughout the night. And I don't think that the AI will be able to do that for you. Number three, the host and the MC. You can't forget about this part. When it's time to introduce you to your wedding guests, the AI will not be able to do this. The AI will not be able to get you prepared to cut the cake, the bouquet, the garter toss, or any announcements throughout the day. And most importantly, managing that timeline. A lot of people forget about a DJ, a professional DJ, will help you manage that timeline to ensure that you're getting all of your big items done throughout the night. And that can't be done by using the device and the streaming service. Number four is just stress, simple stress. A DJ has been trained to read the crowd. And that's one thing that the AI DJ can't do at this time, right? They won't be able to see the expression of the next song that has dropped. A DJ would be able to read the crowd to transition to the next song to keep people on the dance floor throughout the entire night. Number five, requests. You may or may not have your guests make requests at your wedding, but if you do, this is something that the AI will not be able to do. Folks would have to go in and search on your streaming platform and type in a song. But with the DJ, they can walk up and give their request. Now, this is something that DJs don't like a lot of, but we do it, and we do it with a smile on our face. And most of us are accommodating when we receive requests, and we fit them in at the right time. And the AI DJ is something that can't do. You'll miss that factor. You'll miss that piece of having a DJ wedding pro at your wedding. Overall, couples just will receive a level of professionalism from a DJ that can be matched by this technology. Again, we didn't talk about in detail the timeline in which a DJ manages. We didn't talk about in detail the garter toss and the bouquet toss, things that we help you get ready for, and just the overall other features that you may have, lighting on the dance floor, uplighting around your room. All those things come in place when you hire a DJ. Now, I will end with this. Do I think that the DJ AI will replace DJ Wedding Pro? No. Not today. I don't see it in the future. We offer a lot of value in this industry. We offer a lot of value in the job that we do, and we will continue to rock parties out there for couples for years to come. Peace.